everybody. Today is January 2021. Today, this is the homework. Homework 1. And you have the words you copied, right? And all these words, they have mistakes. So let's fix the mistakes. Number 1, always. Always. Listen, always. 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 What sound do you hear? Always. Always. How do you spell always? One way, you can look here to help you. Always. But maybe you know. Always. A-L-W. Ways. Always. A, right? We hear A. Long A. Always. Always. We can look in the story. In the story we see here. They always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. So fix the mistake like this. Cross out the incorrect word, the wrong word, and write the correct word on top. Always. This is good practice. Number 2, sometimes. 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 What are the sounds we hear? Sometimes. Sometimes. Can we check the spelling here? Sometimes. Here. Sometimes. Sometimes. S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S. Check here. What is the mistake? Sometimes. Oh, S-O-M-E-T-I-M-S. Right? We look here and we see S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S. Sometimes. Correct mistake. Sometimes. Go ahead. Fix the mistake. Sometimes. Ready? S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S. Sometimes. Okay, ready? Number 3. Number 3, listen. Often. 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 Or some people say often. We can look here. Here. On the weekend, say often. Take a walk around it. Often. O-F-T-E-N. O-F-T-E-N. Often. Look here. Cross out. O-S-T-E-N. Often. Often. Right? Often. And the last one. Go ahead, Susie. Often. The last one, usually, 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 usually. This one you have to memorize. The sound z, usually, 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 right? Usually. But we have to memorize. Here. Usually, usually. 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 This one, the S, is spelled with S, but the sound Z. We have to memorize. Usually. So correct the mistake. U-S-U-A-L-L-Y. Someone say U-S-U-A-L-L-Y. Usual. Like this. Usually. Usual. Usual. Okay? I want to see your correct mistakes. Right? I don't want to see erase. No, don't erase the word. No, no, no. I don't want with this one erasing. No, it's not good way because then I cannot see. You understand. You fix the mistake. You cannot look again when you only use this one, the eraser. Erase. No, don't erase. The best way is cross out like this way. Send me a photo. I want to see you cross out and correct the word. Okay? Good. Good luck.